Hey everyone, welcome back. Are your shots, aims, or movement feeling delayed in Free Fire, like a gaps between tapping and actually happening? Here's the fix. First, go to your settings, then go to accessibility, go to touch, and make sure that touch recommendations is turned off, since this feature adds a delay to how iOS registered taps, which is disastrous for fast-paced shooter like Free Fire. If that's already off, clean your screen with a soft dry cloth, since sweat and smudges are a major cause of delayed or drop touch input during intense fights. Close every other app in your recent app list before playing, since background apps steal processing power that should be going toward registering your inputs instantly. Remove any thick screen protector that might be dulling touch sensitivity near your control buttons. If delays continue, restart your phone complete to clear backed up input buffer, then reopen Free Fire Fresh, and that's it. All you gotta do is check touch recommendations, clear your screen, close background apps, and restart your phone if delayed, and that's it. Controls response instantly. Subscribe.